Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to show you the top 5 PC cases. Now in my last video I showed you the top 5 CPUs for gaming. Today I'm going to show you cases. Now let's start off with the NZXT H710i. Now this is from NZXT. It's a brand. There are a lot of PC case brands out there, so I didn't look at all of them. I just looked at the best. But you might not prefer this. Maybe you might. I don't know. But I like it, so I wanted to show you guys. Now our next one is the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P. Now this one is from Cooler Master. It's the Cosmos series and C700P model. This one isn't the biggest case, but it's, I think, the best design case because it has a lot of unique things. But this isn't the best design from all of the ones I'm going to show you. Now our next one, I think, is the best design and the most unique design because it's the Deepcool Quad Stellar. Now this is not a normal gaming PC case. This is very different. As you can see, it's like this. It's not just a box full of components. It's unique, and that's what I like about it. Now the next one is the same. Not the same, but has like unique designs. This is more like a tower. That's why it's called the Tower 900. The Tower 900, not Tower 900. So this one is literally like a building, and it's a unique design because no one does this in PC cases. Everyone just does boxes full of components. But this one is unique. As you can see right here, this is a normal PC case, and this is the Tower the Tower 900. I'm sorry, and as you can see, it's unique, and that's what I like about it. The next one is the most gigantic PC case I've ever seen, the Corsair Obsidian 1000D. Now this case is the biggest case ever, I think. It's a super tower. So as you can see how big it is. Look at how big it is. This is tremendously big. Like, it's insane. So you can fit a lot of high performance components that you can't fit in small PCs. And liquid cooling, which is an advantage. Now, yeah, so that's going to wrap up our video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification button. And I'll see you next time. Bye.